Good morning, first grade. Today we're going to learn about the life cycle of a plant. And we know life cycle, it starts as a baby or as a seed, and it grows up to be an adult or to be an adult flower, and then it wilts and dies or passes away, and then it starts all over again. So today, the plant life cycle, we have this paper right here, and we're going to start at the top, and in our word bank, we have the words sprout, which means it's coming up out of the ground, the flower, once we see the pretty flower, the plant, and the seed. So out of sprout, flower, plant, seed, which do you think is going to happen first? That's right, seed. We need to plant the seed, or like dandelions, when the wind comes, they take the little pieces from the dandelion and it spreads them all over, and that's why we have dandelions everywhere. So we're going to start up at the top, right here. This will be your first phase of the plant life cycle. Down here, you have your 4 pictures. So we have where it's already flowered, it is the plant. Then we have just the bean seed. Then we have it has sprouted out of the ground. The roots have taken anchor in the ground, and now here comes the sprout. And here's where it's flowering. It's starting to open up into the plant like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to color all of this. And since we're going to start up here, we said the first thing of a plant life cycle is a seed. Right there, seed. So you're going to write the word seed in that box, and then cut and paste the seed into the big box. Okay? Then we're going to go like this, just like a clock, like we go around a clock. So our next one will be this box right here. So we've done seed, we've planted the seed, it's in the ground, its roots are taking anchor in the ground, and now it's going to start to sprout. So you would write sprout right here, find the picture of your sprout down here, cut, paste, right there. Then you're going to go to this one. So we know once we have a sprout, it needs to start a little flower, and then it turns into the plant. So we would have the flower here, and then the plant, and then the plant. And that would be a complete life cycle of the plant. It started as a seed, the roots anchored into the ground, it started sprouting. Once it started sprouting and getting that air and light and sun and water and oxygen, it flowered. And once it flowered, it kept growing with all that air and water and turned into our plant that we have.